So for the past couple of weeks, we have been at Cherry Hill Park in College Park, Maryland. Being here gives us an opportunity to take care of all of our dentist appointments, doctor's appointments, visit friends, and visit family. The Cherry Hill RV Park is pretty nice, but it is right next to the highway, which makes for a lot of noise. Not a place I would choose to go camping, but it is what it is. Easy access to the Washington, D.C. area. While here, we had Thanksgiving at Frankie and Vonda's. Did you fry that?
Yeah, we fried it up.
Thank you so much. So then I can, gotta have brains to work on the brains. Yeah.
Cheese!
It's easy. I'll show you.
But now it's time to head south. It is just too cold here. This is the temperature in College Park this morning. And now here's the temperature in Jensen Beach this morning. We're going to make 3 stops along the way. The first is going to be just outside of Raleigh at the North Carolina State Fairgrounds. Then we're going to stop in Hardeeville, South Carolina, just an out-of-the-way RV park that's not too far off the highway. And our last stop before our final destination is going to be at Crooked River State Park, which is on the coastal side of Georgia. From there, about 4 hours down to Jensen Beach. We will be in Jensen Beach for a month. Our son Jeremy and his girlfriend Lindsay are going to fly out from San Francisco and spend Christmas with us. So it's Saturday morning, and we're packing up to begin our trip down to Florida. Netta has a package in the office, so we have to wait for the office to open before we can leave.
Bye-bye, Silver Spring.
All right, time to head south. Say it louder.
Bye-bye, Silver Spring.
And your cold-ass November weather.
Yes. We're going to the
No, why you keep calling this
State.
Silver Spring? This is College Park.
Well, College Park, all right. I call it Silver Spring.
Yeah. All right, we're in Virginia now.
You're having your phone ringing at the time.
I know. Right. All right, so we are at Love's Truck Stop. It is a cold, miserable day, and I'm filling up on gas. Prepay $75 and let it run. Now, the weird thing about these truck stops, one of the weird things, is that sometimes people fill up their trucks and then they park right in front of you. So even if I take a short amount of time filling up, I have no way to get out of here. All right, I'm done. I think I can squeeze by this guy. We will see. He's gone. Is that Mr. North Carolina sign?
Yeah. Isn't South Hill in North Carolina?
No, South Hill's in Virginia. When you cross over the water, it's North Carolina. But I think I missed the sign.
No, we haven't come to the border yet.
No, we haven't? I thought as soon as you cross the river.
No, it's coming up shortly.
Okay. There we go. There's the sign. Welcome to North Carolina. That's all. So this is the North Carolina State Fairgrounds, just outside of Raleigh, North Carolina. It's your typical fairground type campground. Lots of open spaces. Fairly quiet. There's a train that runs at night, but it's well kept. Luckily there was gravel down in the campsites after all the rain we had yesterday. Not much gravel left this late in the season, but there's enough. Jonetta's tomato plant looks like the tree from The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. 3 little red bells on it. And that's about it. I think that tomato plant has seen better days.
Stop it.
Jonetta's plant all dead.
My evil husband killed my plant. I told him not to go to Maryland in November.
While Jonetta's taking a rest, I'm going to go fill up the tank in preparation for tomorrow's leg of the trip. But I'm also going to go to a hot dog shack. I think it's called Snoopy's Doghouse. And there it is. A beef frank with mustard, onions, and chili. Let's taste this. The chili's just so-so, but that hot dog is good. Nice, crisp skin, really juicy and flavorful. Pretty good stuff. It's time to start the second leg of this Snowbird trip. Today we'll be heading about 5 hours further south into Hardeeville, South Carolina, and Camp Jasper Lake Park. One of the best things about Hardeeville is that there is a small soul food joint called Gwen and Stacy's. Gwen and Stacy's has the 3rd best fried chicken that we've had on our travels. Number 1 is Still Hattie B's in Nashville, Tennessee. Number 2 is Joella's in Louisville, Kentucky. And number 3 is Gwen and Stacy's in Hardeeville, South Carolina. Well, this is south of the border, and I don't understand how. Well, I guess it's not there yet. Where's the border?
I told you.
Yeah, I know,
0.8.
but at 0.8 miles?
Yeah, 0.8
Okay.
miles.
So you don't get off here to go to south of the border? So it's not really south of the border? I'm not sure. Oh no, there's the welcome center right there. The welcome line. That's the smallest. Welcome to South Carolina.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Well, there you go. That's south of the border there. Oh, there it is.
And there
There's
it
a big
is.
one.
Yeah. Did you even get it?
We made it to Hardeeville at right about the 6-hour mark, just what I thought. As you can hear, it's pretty quiet here. The highway is probably a good 2 miles away. You can still hear it a little bit, but not too much. We are here for just 2 nights, and right now I'm going to run out to the grocery store and get that fried chicken at Gwen and Franny's. Hello, how you doing? I was here about a year ago, and we're coming through again, so I came back to get some chicken.
All right.
Yeah.
Good choice.
All right. So this is Gwen and Franny's fried chicken. The roll, fried chicken, and macaroni and cheese are from Gwen and Franny's. And then I have some leftover red beans and rice, and some collard greens. We have to strap everything down so it doesn't fly around when we're moving. That's Jonetta's job, to do the inside stuff. Yeah, should be able to go straight back as long as you guide me and go right between the picnic table and the water thing and just make the turn.
Yeah.
Going to close out this video. Remember to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and ring that bell to make sure you receive notifications of any updates.